This year I made 5 times the amount of chocolate cherry jam as I made last year. That's because this is one of 2 recipes we made last year that we absolutely could not get enough of. I'm making a double recipe here, but I'll give you the measurements for a single recipe. You'll start with 6 cups of cherries pitted and chopped. Add in 1 box or 6 tablespoons of powdered pectin and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. While you're doing this, you'll want to have your water bath canner heating up, along with a batch of clean half-pint jars. This step is completely optional, and you can avoid it by chopping your cherries more finely, but I used an immersion blender to make it slightly less chunky. Bring this mixture up to a boil that will not stir down. See what I mean here? You stir it, and it's still boiling. Next, you're going to add your cocoa and your sugar. The recipe calls for 6 cups of sugar, but I always reduce it by a cup, and 2/3 of a cup of unsweetened baking cocoa. You can use Hershey's unsweetened cocoa, or I've used the unsweetened cacao powder from Costco or the bulk cocoa from Winco. Bring this new mixture up to a hard boil for 1 minute. Now it's time to can. Make sure your jars are hot to avoid thermal shock. Fill each one up to 1/4 inch headspace, which is almost all the way up. Then wipe the rim clean with vinegar for a good seal. Add your lid and your ring fingertip tight. Water bath for 10 minutes, but adjust for your altitude. Let them sit for 12 to 24 hours until they set. We're going to serve this over a warm croissant, pancakes or waffles, or give as a gift. And obviously that's why